Hi, Daddy. Welcome back to my channel.
Say subscribe.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Is that French accent or Nigerian accent?
Subscribe.
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 Bug. Subscribe. Bug. N'importe quoi, franchement. C'est subscribe, seriously.
Subscribe.
Okay, pas mal, pas mal.
Subscribe.
Good job, darling. You like your hairstyle? Do you like your hairstyle? You're so cute. You're so cute. Hey guys, welcome back again to another video. How are you all doing? So today's video, I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I style my son hair in a protective hairstyle, just simply putting it in a few or cornrow. This hairstyle is really simple. You can do it on your baby boy, baby girl hair. So I've shampooed and conditioned his hair. Just go ahead and detangle it a little bit for easier parting. Then I'm go ahead and apply my avocado oil and massage that in. I'm gonna section the hair into two. In the front section, I'm gonna do about 4 zigzag cornrow, and at the back section, I'm gonna do about 3 braids. It's very simple. So guys, I'm gonna leave you all to enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye guys.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow,